Alright, we're doing a review of my new keyboard and mouse that I got. This is my new Logitech solar-powered keyboard. And I got it because it's wireless, and wireless is always better with solar. But if you push this button here, and then look up there on my gauge screen, there's a little app for this keyboard. Pretty cool. Tells you what how much charge you're bringing in, and also tells you how much charge you have. Now that charge never goes below 100%. I mean, I've only had this keyboard for a couple days, but never goes below. Actually, I just got it yesterday, but I haven't seen it go. No. I didn't get it yesterday. I got it the day before yesterday. I don't know when I got it. I got it the day before yesterday, and it's been fully charged ever since. And if you don't have the app, then you can always just push that little button there, and if it lights up green, then that means it's charging. If it lights up red, then that means it's not getting enough light to charge, and you're just running out on the battery. One thing I didn't know about this keyboard is there's actually two versions, and as you can see, I got the wrong one. There's a Windows version and a Mac version, and I got the Windows version because it was slightly cheaper, and I'm just cheap like that. What the hell? I think I got adware. I don't know where the hell that came from. That kind of pisses me off. I just got all the adware off this thing. Don't tell me I have more. Anyways, so it's also got an on-off button and standard keyboard layout, you know. But the problem with the Windows version is none of the function keys work, and actually I bet that doesn't, yeah, I wouldn't think so. Doesn't do anything. But the other keys and the keypad work and all that bullshit up there, but it's the function keys that don't work. And that's kind of annoying because I could use this, especially this on button here, which the computer's just reading as F12, which takes you to your dashboard. Or you could if you don't have F12, then you could always just hit Control and then the arrow key and switch between your dashboard that way. Anyways, that'd be a nice feature because I'm not turning this thing on and off constantly, but if I just, if I had to keep turning it on and off repeatedly, it could get kind of annoying to have to get up and walk over there and turn it on and then come back and then get it. But, I only turn it on once a day and then turn it off at night, so, I'm not going to complain about walking 2 feet. Here are the keys. And surprisingly, this keyboard, it is a little flexible, but for how thin it is and for the material it's made out of, it's really not all that flexible. If you look here, it's not really flexing that bad. If you try to flex it, it'll flex, but, tapping on it, it does feel a little flimsy, but it's not really all that noticeable. One thing I did notice when I first got it is this solar panel had a bubble over it, because this part here was like coming off or something, and I pushed it back down. But other than that, I like this keyboard. It works very well. And see how good I am at typing with one hand. Get you a good view. It feels better to type on than my old keyboard because I like the key travel is not very deep, and I like that. I do not like a super deep key travel. But then again, I also don't like typing on a brick like the new MacBook. So, now let's go over my mouse. Now, this is not the new mouse that I got. This is my old wired mouse. But the mouse I got was actually this little mouse. And out of the box, the battery cover was broken, and something fell off the side there. And I just threw it away because I wasn't even going to give it a chance. But, you know, you shouldn't judge a book by its cover, so I fished it out of the trash. Excuse me. Put a battery in it. What did I do with that battery? Oh, I found it. Here it is. Thankfully, I've got a ton of these rechargeable batteries lying around because I don't think you should put an alkaline battery in it. And I thought that's how it worked, is it would charge the battery through solar, the panel on the back, but that's not how it works. You put a battery in it, it runs off the solar panel, but then when there's not enough sun, then you put a battery in it, because I've noticed I can use this thing without a battery in it. Even if your hand is completely covering the panel without a battery in it, this mouse would still work. And it worked very well, and I liked it, but yesterday it started getting really glitchy with or without the battery, and it was also not clicking. You had to like kind of tap it to get it working, or like bang on it or something to get it working, because it would like shut off or something. And you know, you just gently tap, nothing happened, and you just go crazy with it and whatever. And then this morning, this stupid thing won't work at all with or without a battery. So I'm back to using my old mouse, which I don't have a problem with, but I don't want this, you know, long wire going across the room here. But as you can see, this is a nice mouse. So yeah, that's my keyboard and mouse.